Hey everybody, I'm Chef Matt, and this is Chef Ed. Class is in session. Hey everybody, I'm Chef Matt. Welcome to the first class of Chef Ed. Thanksgiving's right around the corner, and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect feast. Show your family that you actually can cook. Now at Chef Ed, we cook our turkey a little bit differently. We break it down into cuts, that way no part of the turkey gets overcooked. And then since even turkey likes to have a little drink every once in a while too, I actually brine the turkey in ash and elm hard cider as well. Not only does that make that moist, it's got all the flavors of fall, cloves, cinnamon, and apples. So we don't end up with another dry turkey like last year, Aunt Karen. So our turkey's been brining in a hard cider brine for 24 hours. Now the base for the brine was Ash and Elm's Autumn Tide. Why I chose to use that cider? It's got a bunch of very, very seasonal herbs and spices that they brew with. Cardamom, cinnamon, clove. Goes really, really nice with the flavor profile of everything else that we're gonna be cooking up today. So we're gonna take these pieces out of the brine, and if you really loved your family, you could fry these off too. And then you could just discard the brine. So then we're gonna line our cookie sheets with Quilon baking paper. This is just to make sure that they don't stick to the pan when you try to take them out of the oven. Then we're gonna put the pieces of meat that are gonna cook off in approximately the same time frame together on the tray. That way, nothing gets overcooked and nothing gets undercooked. So we're gonna put the breasts with the legs and the thighs with the wing. So remember, you want that skin to be dry when it's going into the oven. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with chewy skin instead of crispy skin. Obviously, you're gonna have to ditch this towel after this. Don't want anybody getting salmonella. Now we've got our oven preheated to 375. Now I've got the bigger pieces of the meat going in first because they're gonna take the longest to cook. We'll see you soon. So 20 minutes have elapsed. We'll see how our turkey's doing. So we're starting to see some browning on the skin. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna rotate these legs over, give the other side some love. Now we're gonna throw in the wings and thighs, and then they'll all come out at the same time. Hi guys, thank you for watching Chef Ed. We took the big one down. Hard cider brine turkey, crispy skin. For the full recipe of what we made today, click the link in the description. While you're down there, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and why don't you let us know how you like to cook a turkey in the comments below. I'm Chef Cressetta. Thank you for watching Chef Ed. Good game.